Pelton crane main valve. The Pelton crane main valve assembly contains two valves, which regulates the flow of water to and from the chamber. The fill valve opens during the fill cycle, allowing water to enter into the chamber from the water reservoir in preparation for the sterilization cycle. Once the unit is advanced to the sterilize cycle, the fill valve is closed. The vent valve opens during the vent cycle. When this valve opens, all pressure and steam from inside the chamber is sent back to the condensation coil located inside the water. The condensation coil allows the steam to cool and return to its water state before venting it back into the water reservoir. How to check if the main valve is leaking. Run the machine as normal, until the pressure reaches between 20 to 25 pounds. Unplug the power cord. Do not turn the control knob on the front of the machine. Pull on the safety release valve ring and release the steam pressure. Immediately open the door and look to see how much water is in the chamber. If the chamber is bone dry, then the machine is blowing the steam back through the fill side of the main valve. This indicates that the valve is not sealing and the components inside the valve need to be replaced. Replacing the components is easy and very simple using the main valve repair kits all Clave Parts offers. You will need to order 2 kits. How to clean main valve or replace button retainer. Unplug autoclave and ensure there is no pressure in chamber. Drain reservoir. Turn machine on its side. Unscrew the 2 main valve caps on bottom of valve. Remove springs and button retainers from valve block. Replace button retainers if scoring, scratches or gouges are found on Teflon seats. Replace if necessary PCR 037.4x. When reassembling, ensure O-rings RPO 355.4x are properly seated in the grooves in the main valve caps. Service tip: both the vent and fill valves of the main valves can easily be rebuilt with all Clave Parts inexpensive main valve kits. Part #PCKO26.4x. Main valve service tips. If replacing the button retainers, springs and O-rings, the main valve does not need to be removed from the autoclave. Check the up and down travel of the main valve stem. If you can move the main valve stem up and down with your fingers, the valve packing needs to be replaced. If the valve packings need to be replaced, remove the main valve from the autoclave. Install the new valve packings one at a time. If you attempt to install both packings at the same time, the bottom packing will have a tendency to tilt to one side and prevent proper seating. Install the first packing and keep it square with the valve opening. Then screw the main valve nut in place to seat the packing. Remove the main valve nut. Repeat the process with the remaining packing. Sterilizer questions answered. If you have any other questions, call us at 1-800-762-1586 or email us at info@sterilizers.com. There is more information you can find on sterilizers.com where you can call, email, WhatsApp, FB Messenger, or web chat.